Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to cover the Canon R1 with the Canon R5. So Canon R5 got better sensor resolution, the ISO range is better for Canon R1, then also the viewfinder is better for Canon R1. Then we're going to look here, the Canon R5 got better video resolution, then on both you can build in wireless and built-in GPS is on Canon R1. And now also the weight is better for Canon R5 and dimensions are better for Canon R5. So now when we're going to look here on view differences, so Canon R1 got better stacked sensor, a zero blackout viewfinder, then a video record limit that can be huge, so you can record clips longer than 30 minutes, then dedicated video still switch, pre-shooting buffer, lens breathing correction, eye control, the viewfinder magnifier, the ICO, the max LX shutter, the continuous shooting, even the battery life, then even the viewfinder resolution. So all these things with the flash sync port, full-size HDMI, Ethernet, focus stacking, illuminated buttons, like all these things that you're getting is insane. On the other hand, the R5 got better sensor resolution, number of focus points, weight, and max video resolution. So in that is better. So just want to make this quick video of the differences. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.